My video is about a new ransomware type infection that is called Msjd. Msjd is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It attacks computers that are vulnerable and that have a bad security protection system. Some security programs may be outdated, their antivirus databases may be outdated too, and as a result, this Msjd ransomware may be injected easily into this system. Before the ransomware actually attacks your computer, you may open pictures, files, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation pretty easily. Regretfully, as I have said, because of some weaknesses in the security of the computer, this particular Msjd ransomware may be injected into the device. So pretty soon customers realize that they cannot use their files anymore. And so pretty soon you will notice that something bad has happened with the files and that these files are no longer accessible because this Msjd ransomware has affected and infected these files. The files also get encrypted by this particular Msjd ransomware. So whenever we try to open this specific file, we get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Msjd extension. Another issue is that removing the extension manually doesn't fix the issue. So that's the problem, of course. If you have noticed some of your files or all of your files to be already encrypted, well, first thing we can recommend you to do is to check the task manager. If you find any suspicious programs on the list or suspicious processes on the list, right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. We also recommend you to examine your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection of any malware or adware. While the scanning is taking place by Combo Cleaner antivirus, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations, but we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium to remove all of these threats automatically, and this is the best way to keep your files always safe and secure and protected.